Hello everyone, welcome back to Scratch Life. This is second part for the chapter 5 Euclid's Geometry. In this video we are going to see the Euclid's postulates. So let us see postulate number 1. It says a straight line can be drawn from any one point to any another point. Suppose you have 2 points. This is one point, say A, and this is another point, say B. The postulate says between these 2 points only one straight line can be drawn. Between these 2 points A and B, you are able to draw only one straight line. If you try to draw any other straight line between these 2 points, you are not able to draw a straight line. You will draw a curve like this, or this, or anything like this. But a straight line can be only one. Now, postulate number 2. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. What do you mean by terminated line? The line is infinite actually, but we will take a certain part of a line. Suppose this is a line. This is A and this is B point. This is a line and this can be produced indefinitely to either of the ends, like this. We can take this line up till infinity in this side, and also we can produce this line up till infinity in this side. These are the Euclid's 2 postulate. Now let us see the third one. So Euclid's third postulate is a circle can be drawn from any point and any radius. If you take any point and consider it at the center of the circle and you consider a certain radius, you can draw any circle anywhere on the earth. Now, fourth postulate is all right angles are equal to one another. All right angles, what do you mean by right angle? Right angle is of 90 degree. So obviously, if any angle A is equal to 90 degree and another angle is B which is also equal to 90 degree, both these angles are equal. This is the Euclid's fourth postulate. Now let us see very important Euclid's fifth postulate. Now let us see Euclid's fifth postulate. It says when we have 2 lines in such a way that there is a third line which is intersecting these 2 lines, like we have this line M and this line N and this line T which is intersecting these 2 points at here and here, these 2 lines. So they are forming 4 angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. We'll see the sum of angles on either side of this line. For example, we'll see sum of angle 1 and angle 3 and we'll see the sum of angle 2 and angle 4. Suppose you find angle 1 plus angle 3 to be 170 degree. Right? And this angle 2 plus angle 4 to be 190 degree. Right? So you can easily see that angle 1 and angle 3, the sum of angle 1 and angle 3 is less than 180 degrees. On the side where the sum of angles is less than 180 degree, if I produce these 2 lines, they meet at certain points like this. If I try to produce these 2 lines in this way, they are going to meet at certain point. In that side where the sum of angles is less than 180. Now, if the sum of angles is not less than 180, then if I try to produce on that side, the sum of angles where the sum of angles is not less than 180, in fact it is greater than 180, the lines are never going to meet. Right? So this is Euclid's fifth axiom, which says that whenever you have 2 lines, if you want to find out whether these lines are going to meet on which side, you try to find out the sum of the angles, interior angles. If the sum of the interior angles is less than 180 and you produce the lines on that side, it will definitely going to meet. This is Euclid's fifth axiom, fifth postulate. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.